Hi, my name's Zach, and I'm 10 years old. I'm here to show you some of the basic tools that you can use on Google Sketchup. This is one of my many Google Sketchup models. This is a house that I would like to live in when I grow up. So I've got the swimming pool and a water slide, and then we've got the front of the house. Now I'm going to show you some of the basic tools that you can use on Google SketchUp. One of the most basic tools on Google SketchUp is drawing a shape. So, if we draw a rectangle, and then this tool here is your push and pull. So, when you drag it over the shape, it will come up with all those blue dots. And then you can lift it upwards or downwards. There's your shape, 3D shape. Now this tool is orbit. If you click on it and you drag, you can look around it and you can see that this shape is a 3D rectangle. This shape is also useful. It's called pan or the hand, where you can drag across. Now this tool is the rubber tool or eraser. If you click on a line, it will disappear so you can see inside. But if you want to get it back, you go up to edit and then undo erase and it comes back. There is also another tool called the fill button. The way that you use the fill is like if you want to do a window. If you go inside the house, you can draw a rectangle and then you use the fill. Then you've got lots of different kinds of ones. If you go to the little arrow, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then go to this tool, translucent. Click on it, and then you've got lots of different ones. The best one to use is this one. If you click on it, and then click on your shape, it looks like it's glass. But if you accidentally click on it, see how if you keep going, it will just do the whole thing. So this is why we have this tool up here. If you click on it, then your mouse goes back to normal. If you go to edit, undo paint, and you can do it until it's how you want it to be. Now, another good thing you can do is by making a door. One of the easiest ways to do a door is get your rectangle and draw the door. And then you right click on it and then go to erase. Then you've got your door. Another good way to do a door is by going to your rectangle, drawing your door, and then going right click, erase. Then if you use orbit, if you get your square again, you can try. Oh. If that sometimes happens, all you can do is by using your eraser tool again. But one thing, don't do this, because then it will get rid of your line, and then it will get rid of your rectangle. So use your orbit tool, draw the rectangle, then you right click, erase, and then if you get your rectangle tool and you draw a thin line, then you can use your push-pull tool, and there's your door.
Now I'm going to show you how you can use another tool for measurement. If you click on the tape measure and you click on a point, go to the other point, you can see that it's showing it's 2.49 metres. The height of the door is 0.63 metres. Now with notebook software, if you use your invisible ink layer, which is this tool here, you can use your pen tool to record the measurements. So again, if I use my measurement tool, from here, is 0.8 metres. Use your pen tool. It's easier at the smartboard using the pen rather than the mouse tool. And then I can record another measurement. .49 metres. So you can see here that I'm switching between Google Sketchup and my notebook software using the visible ink layer without having to close and open documents. With the invisible ink layer, once you've finished recording your measurements, you need to take a screenshot of the measurements, and you can see that it's automatically dropped back into my notebook software. Another application you can do with the invisible ink layer, if I go to a new page, is I could also use my floating tools, which is the ruler, and you can use the ruler to measure in centimetres and millimetres, so 10.4 centimetres. So here you can see the potential of not only having 3D shapes which you can manipulate and rotate using Google Sketchup, you can use it in conjunction with your notebook software using the visible ink layer and the measurement tool for maths activities.